The harmonious convergence of nature and culture, a persuasive exploration. ISBN 978-976-976-3258, podcast 218. I am your host, Dr. William Anderson Giddens, a passionate cultural advocate sharing my experiences as a cultural practitioner on the beautiful island of Barbados. My work encompasses various professions, including dynamic podcaster, photojournalist, media art specialist, cultural theorist, theologian, and author. As an individual deeply entrenched in the vibrant tapestry of Barbadian life, I, Dr. William Anderson Gittins, find it imperative to share the intertwining narratives of nature and culture that permeate our lives. My multifaceted career, spanning theology, media, cultural theory, and photojournalism, has led me on a quest to explore the intricate relationships woven into our surroundings. In my forthcoming anthology, An Exploration Through Nature, ISBN 978-976-976-3258, I delve into this convergence, asserting its profound significance and relevance to our understanding of identity and existence. The biblical perspective on creation provides a foundational lens through which to examine this relationship. Verses such as Psalm 19:1 remind us that the heavens declare the glory of God, while Genesis 1:28 sets forth humanity's divine stewardship over nature. The scriptures celebrate God's unfathomable creativity and provision, emphasizing not only the beauty of His creation, but also our responsibility in safeguarding it. This narrative, prevalent throughout the Bible, underscores the idea that nature is a reflection of God's majesty, a sentiment echoed in passages like Romans 1:20, where nature reveals God's invisible qualities. Thus, as we embrace the environment around us, we are recognizing and honing the divine essence embedded within us. My journey as a creator and educator has granted me unique insights into how culture shapes our interactions with the natural world. The rich cultural landscape of Barbados offers a wealth of expressions that stem from our daily engagement with nature. With a background in divinity, media arts, photojournalism, and cultural studies, I've come to understand that the myriad ways in which these realms intersect, affecting our values, beliefs, norms, practices, and ultimately our identities. By examining the interplay between nature and culture, we can uncover a deeper appreciation of the historical and contemporary narratives that define who we are. Barbados, with its lush flora, expansive ocean views, and vibrant communities, serves as both a muse and a canvas for my work as a nature photographer. The intimate relationship I share with my homeland fosters a cognitive bias towards the natural beauty, compelling me toward contemplative appreciation. Each encounter with the island's breathtaking scenery becomes a moment ripe for preservation, transforming fleeting experiences into enduring photographic images. This endeavor transcends mere hobby. It is a vital component of my identity, enabling me to engage as both a cultural observer and a visual storyteller. In my pursuit to illustrate the symbiosis between nature and culture, I have created a photo essay titled Nature, ISBN 978-976-976-3258. This collection of images serves as a narrative vehicle through which I convey my distinctive perspective of Barbados's cultural landscape. Each photograph tells a story, capturing the essence of our environment and highlighting elements such as flora and fauna, art and artifacts, stunning beach scenes, historical buildings, monuments, and the everyday lives of Barbadians. By showcasing these diverse components, I seek to reflect the human nature interaction that profoundly contributes to our collective cultural identity. One particularly poignant aspect of this project lies in showcasing the vast array of natural beauty found in Barbados. What Psalm 104, 24 to 25 celebrates when it proclaims the diversity of God's creation. The island is replete with vibrant mangroves, scenery, beaches, and majestic coral reefs, each brimming with life and potential stories. The photographs invite viewers to witness the splendor of these ecosystems while simultaneously evoking thoughts on how cultural practices and ecological preservation are intertwined. For instance, the preservation of traditional fishing methods is deeply rooted in community values, linking livelihoods and the ocean's bounty. This relationship not only sustains local economies but also nurtures a shared understanding of stewardship toward nature. Moreover, the cultural artifacts I document, ranging from the craftsmanship evident in local pottery to the vibrancy of Caribbean music, serve as powerful reminders of how we interpret and interact with our physical surroundings. As I capture these moments, I am struck by how intertwined our beliefs, traditions, and landscapes are. Each photograph becomes a narrative, not only of beauty, but a resilience and identity, reflecting the many ways we find meaning in the natural world. To further emphasize this message, it is essential to articulate the role of emotional connection within this discourse. Nature elicits profound feelings, joy, tranquility, and inspiration, which echo the sentiments expressed in Isaiah 55:12, where it is proclaimed that the mountains and hills will burst into song. Such emotional responses reveal how deeply ingrained our relationship with nature is in shaping our cultural consciousness. The practices we adopt, whether steeped in tradition or born from modern innovation, serve to reinforce this connection and deepen our appreciation for the natural world. As I continue to explore the interplay between nature and culture in my roles as a nature photographer, author, and cultural theorist, my commitment to celebrating this relationship remains unwavering. The act of capturing and sharing photographic images serves as a conduit for storytelling, allowing me to communicate experiences that resonate both personally and universally. Each image is not merely a visual representation, it is an invitation to engage with the deeper narrative of Barbados, an invitation to recognize the extraordinary relationship that exists between our environment and the vibrant lives that inhabit it. In conclusion, the convergence of nature and culture is a powerful theme that demands recognition and exploration. It speaks to our identities, our values, and the narratives we weave through our daily lives. My anthology, An Exploration Through Nature, and accompanying projects, including the Nature Photo Essay, aim to illuminate these connections while affirming the importance of preserving our natural heritage. Ultimately, by embracing and celebrating this relationship, we cultivate a rich understanding of ourselves and our place within the world. We urge you to appreciate and protect our surroundings. Beauty, as emphasized in podcast 218 and published in publication 377, Exploration true nature. ISBN 978-976-976-3258. God bless.
Streaming of content. In summary, completed works of William Anderson Gittins' compilation of 172 podcasts is a cultural compendium captured and framed in 7 chapters in publication 304 and verbalized in podcast 172 in ISBN 978 976 971 4601